Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Mac focus productivity with Apple Shortcuts Automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Mac focus productivity, begin by opening the Shortcuts app on your Mac. In the Shortcuts app, click on the Gallery tab located at the top of the window. Explore the available shortcuts, looking for those that can boost your focus and productivity. Next, select a shortcut that interests you, and click on it to view its details. Click the Add Shortcut button to add it to your library. Now, navigate to the My Shortcuts tab to see the newly added shortcut. To customize your shortcut, hover over it and click the three dots in the upper right corner. Modify the shortcut's name to something descriptive, like Focus Mode. Consider adding actions that allow. To do this, click on Add Action and search for the desired function. You can create a sequence of actions tailored to your focus routine. For instance, you may want to set a timer for concentrated work sessions. Search for the Set Timer action and configure it to your preferred duration. Add additional actions, like Do Not Disturb, to minimize distractions during your session. Once your shortcut is complete, click Done to save your changes. Next, test your shortcut by clicking the play button at the top right corner. Observe how it runs to ensure all actions work harmoniously. You can further refine the shortcut based on your testing experience. To make this shortcut easily accessible, assign a keyboard shortcut. Go to the top menu and click File, then Preferences, and navigate to the Shortcuts tab. In this section, find your focus shortcut and click to assign a key combination. Once done, you can quickly activate your focus mode with just a keystroke. Consider scheduling your focus sessions using the automation feature in Shortcuts. Navigate to the Automation tab and click Create Personal Automation. Choose a trigger, such as time of day, to automatically initiate your focus mode. Set the time to align with your most productive hours and choose your focus shortcut as the action. Review your automation settings to ensure they meet your needs. By utilizing shortcuts in this way, you can create a robust focus routine. This automation will help enhance your productivity throughout the day. With these steps, you've restored focus productivity using Apple Shortcuts on your Mac. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.